$50 five, 55. Hit 50 there and 5 here, 55, 55, 55, 55. So $50. Takes that one with the watches in it. Takes 165.
Before you go in, you selling deer out there?
Yeah. 165. Go again. Choice flat. $25. $25. $10. $10. Now 20. 20 here. 20. So $15. 29.
Yeah.
Choice box or flat? Yeah. That one was $20, I think.
Yeah.
He takes one time. It's a box of jewelry.
I'll take that.
Hang on just a minute. To be fair to you and everybody else, I got to start over. You want to start at 20?
I'll start at 20.
Now 5. 25. Yep. 30. 30. 35. 40. 5. 50. 5. 60. 5. 85. So $60. $199. He takes that one. What's that got in it? It's a black. I thought so. It's a black box with rings in it. Let's go again. 10, 20. 25. 20. 10, 12 and a half, 15, 17 and a half, 20, 22 up here, 5, 25, 5, now 7 up here, 30, 30, 30, 35, so 27 and a half. Bar number, I don't remember. 131. Takes the watches. Flat with watches. Go again. 5, 10, 10, 15.
Sorry about that.
Don't got nowhere to go either.
Yeah.
What is it? That right there? With the pearls in it? That's a Jim Bob pearl bangled, Billy bangled, whatever, right there.
That's what John Brown wanted.
That's okay.
You'll look good in them too.
Go again. 5, 10, 10 here, 15, 20, 25, 30 there, 30, 25, 35, 30. So $25, 131, I believe.
Earrings.
Earrings, flat with earrings in it.
It's got a couple rings. It's got a silver.
Couple of rings in there. Then go again. Even 5, 10, 10 here, 10, 15, 15, 20, 25, 30 there, 30, 35, so $25. Pick what you want, young lady. No, choice flat. What's your number, Rusty? Yeah. 152. Bracelets in it. Go again. Even 5, 7 and a half. This one up here 10. Even 10, 10. Sold 7 and a half. 131, right?
Yeah, I'll take
2 times necklaces. Go again. Even $5, $7. This one up here. 750. 7 here. 750. 7 here. $5. $5. Buy the flat. $5. 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, so $2.29. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. All right. Thank you.